You ready?
We recording.
Huh?
Yaya time. Yaya time. What you say? Yaya time. Yaya time. Okay, Yaya time.
Hey, my peeps. Well, welcome to the show. If you're new to the show, we welcome you as well. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell. Thank you guys so very much for joining us today. We're going to go ahead and get our prayer in, and then we're going to tell you what we're eating on, and then we're going to sit and do some chit-chatting.
So let's do it, y'all. Bow your heads. Amen.
Amen. Hi, y'all.
How you doing, y'all? I'm not Scooby-Doo today.
Oh, yeah. he cleaned up. We just got Burger King today, you guys. We kind of Sluffing.
I got to work tonight.
Yeah. So. Go ahead and pour that out. So we just said we was doing.
I ain't put cheese on my burger.
That's mine. I told you that was mine because I said no cheese. And it says Whopper on the package.
Yeah, but I said a number one. That's a double Whopper. You got
No,
that?
I don't want a double.
Nothing. No, this is me right here. I don't know what they did. You can take one of your patty dogs. I'll take everything. You see? Just a burger, y'all. Just a burger. Flat burger.
Yeah.
Burger King.
I don't think that it was two on the Whoppers. Anyway, I got something special. How y'all doing? How you doing? You got onion ring?
No, it just went up in there by mistake.
That's what I said. You got onion ring. Hope everybody's doing well for Thursday. Friday. No, today Thursday.
Oh, yeah.
No, today Wednesday.
It's Wednesday.
Well, oh! Happy hump day, y'all.
Just Wednesday. It's Thursday.
Yeah. I'm always talking about time being precious. And I'm trying to push it forward too much for us, huh?
But I hope y'all day is going well today on hump day.
Our weather is gloomy. It's overcast.
It's gonna be a little cool tonight.
It was nice yesterday. Hey, if you guys didn't get a chance, go look at the video from yesterday. We redid the Taco Bell Cantina cheesy melt tacos. Those are bomb. Because when we had done it the week before, we forgot to turn the volume on, and then I did that voiceover thing I told you about. I did not like that at all. So that gave me a chance to get to eat tacos again. So we did that again yesterday. That was a fun video.
Yep, I enjoyed them. They were good.
I don't know where the nut came from.
A little nap.
And we went to the beach yesterday. So I added a little footage on the Mukbang. And then you can go see the full beach video at on our vlog channel.
Yaya's travel.
No, travel with WIT, Yaya's Best Life. I'll put it here in the video. So you can go over there to that channel. That was our first little vlog we did, so that was fun too. But yeah, it's gloomy. Oh, sorry, it's all gloomy today. Yesterday the sun was shining.
Showing you the Atlantic Ocean. Beautiful. I think you would enjoy it. It is a little gloomy today, though. Got your little friend.
Who? Oh, you did? Good. Getting on our nerves. I think it's those little, well, they're not the mosquitoes. Here in Florida, no, there's another one. There's one for you. They come through the screen is what it is, and they these little fine gnats. Well, they look like gnats. I don't know what they call them around here. And they get on your nerve.
Can't enjoy being with the screen open.
No. Can't have your slider open because if you don't have one of those enclosed, I forget what they call them things. Some kind of screen they call them here. That keeps those little things out. But if you just have a regular screen, they can get through those screens and they can get on your last nerve. Anywho.
So please don't forget to give her a like, y'all.
A like?
A share.
Share out the video.
And a subscribe.
Most definitely subscribe.
And most importantly, hit that notification bell where you're going to be notified when Yaya drops that new video for you.
We appreciate it. I didn't offer y'all one.
Nice.
They're too juicy, all that sauce and stuff. I like Burger King because I like how they cook their burgers. If I'm gonna eat, I like the grill.
Flame broil.
Oh yeah. So yeah, we ain't got too much going on, y'all.
Rather than getting ready to go to work tonight.
Yeah.
And next thing you know, Thanksgiving gonna be here.
That's what everybody keeps talking about.
And things, and then you gonna be like, oh, gotta cook this, gotta cook that.
They've been saying, go and get on out there and get your grocery shopping done because of the supply chain thing going on.
So, better get your stuff. Don't wait till the last minute.
Yeah.
And then you're gonna be like, yo, come on here, can't get this here for this. Can't get that there for that. When you've been warned.
So if you can,
go ahead
a
and
little
get
bit, yeah, every week get a little something.
If you ain't got your turkey, might as well go and get your turkey now before it gets too late. And the poundage go up on them. Make sure you got your eggs, baking powder, baking soda. You know?
Baking powder, baking soda.
Your candied yams or sweet yams or whatever you want to call them, sweet potatoes. So they make your yams. Brown sugar now. Plenty of butter. Make sure you put plenty of butter in them. Make sure you put that nutmeg in them too now, that cinnamon too now.
What you know about that?
I can cook now. Don't tell me what I know. Ask me what I know about it. You know I can cook. Golden brown now.
I got stuff on the side of my face.
No. Who on for?
Yeah, that burger was, I was hungry. Either if I eat the fries, then I'm not going to eat all the burger. If I go ahead and go in for the burger, then I don't eat all the fries. Yeah, y'all like that? And I have to be extremely hungry to eat both of them.
She do.
You know, all of it.
But I eats it.
So,
We didn't want to hold you guys too long on hump day. Just want to check in on you, see how you're doing. Hope that everything is well. Because you know, as Yaya says, time is the most precious commodity that we have. Take care of your time and use your time to the best and wisely.
y'all getting y'all plans ready for the weekend? Anybody got anything special going on? Let us know.
For sure.
Oh,
For boo-boo.
pretty much. But it tastes good.
Still got something to nibble on when I'm at work. So, with that said, y'all, take care of yourself for today and tomorrow. We're going to see y'all tomorrow.
We'll be back tomorrow.
And,
So yeah.
see, she's still eating.
Make sure you guys go over to the vlog channel and subscribe. Check in over there on that channel. We just starting. But yeah, we want to get some footage up for you. Go some places and record some things for you. So go over there to Travel, TRAVEL, WIT, WIT, Yaya's Best Life. Okay? So go over there and check that one video we got out. Make sure you go check out our video from yesterday. We thank y'all. We appreciate y'all. And again, thank you to all of the subscribers, each and every one of you. We appreciate you very much.
And with that said,
What time is it, y'all?
it's Yaya's time. Yaya time. What you say? Yaya time. Yaya time. Okay, Yaya time.
Thank you guys for stopping in and sharing your time with us. Until tomorrow.
Yaya time.
Deuces.
Bye, y'all.
Bye, y'all.